Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making air fryer chicken fritters. In a large bowl here I have two 12.5 ounce cans of chicken that I drained liquid off of. I'm going to add 1 egg to that. And guys, I'm not going on camera because as most of you know, I'm sick with COVID, but I'm being careful not to infect the rest of the family. Hands are clean and I'm not going to cough or do anything over the food here. Now I'm going to add in about a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. I'm going to add in a 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder. And Holly had said about just order them out, but I insisted on making supper. I'm going to add in about a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I keep my seasoning simple and relatively the same amount. And a 1/4 cup of Italian seasoned breadcrumb. I'm going to get in here and mix these up. And like I said, guys, my hands are clean. I washed them thoroughly. And everybody else in the house tested. They came back negative, so that's good. Me and my brother Terry caught it somewhere and we worked together. Now I'm going to add a little more breadcrumb in here off of camera because this is just a little too moist for me. When I'm ready to make these into patties, I'll be back. Alright, now that I added the additional breadcrumb in here, I'm just going to blend it in quick. And I have a container of breadcrumb over here. We're going to coat these in this. I'm just going to make these into about pool size balls and flatten them down. And we're going to coat them in the breadcrumb. And I have a piece of foil over here I'm laying them on. I'm going to go ahead and make all of my cakes, and after I have all my cakes made, or my fritters, we'll get them in the air fryer. Alright, now that I have them all loaded in the air fryer, I'm going to put them in there for 375 for like 8 to 10 minutes till they're golden brown. Everything's pretty much cooked through in there except for the egg. So when they're golden brown, I'll pull them out. Alright, my chicken fritters are done. They took about 8 minutes. Let's get them out here and fix up a plate and see what we got. I also went ahead and made corn on the cob and some fried potatoes to go with this. Get in here and try one of these fritters. They're moist inside, crispy on the outside, well seasoned. Now, I would have liked to serve some chicken gravy over them, but I couldn't make it to the store to get any. So there you have it, air fryer chicken fritters. Thanks for watching, and remember, love what you eat and eat what you love.